सेटअप है ये डिकैथलॉन का MH100। So this is Decathlon MH100. This is a camping tent provided by Decathlon, and this is a 3-person camping tent. This tent comes with two different options. One is 2-person and another is 3-person. So I got it from Decathlon. The brand is Quechua. As you know, this is a Decathlon product, and the price which I paid is approximately 5,599 rupees on Indian currency for a 3-person variant. And I'll be telling you about some of the key factors or key things to consider. So the dimension of this tent is 195 centimeter into 210 centimeter, and the height is approximately 116 centimeter. So the weight is 4 kilograms, and the cover that where you will carry the entire setup is not that heavy. It's just a compact setup and easy to carry. It's just 60 centimeter of length, and this is an eco-friendly design. It comes with a 5 years of warranty. It is very easy to set up, and the black color, that material that you see, this particular polyester material, so this is definitely this makes the tent very much dark, because it just reduces 99% of the light and in the daylight, and the night it makes little more cooler as well. So that is the benefit. And the outer cover, if you apply the white cover, I will apply it later on, so you may see that in the video as well. So the white cover is waterproof fabric, and it is not completely water resistant. It is basically waterproof, but there is a limit as well. So 200 liter per hour downpour for 3 hours it will resist, and also Flysheet up to 200 or 2000 millimeter of water, ground sheet up to 2400 millimeter water. So there is a limitation as well, so be considerate about it. And this tent is a wind resistance tent, which can withstand for a stable 40 kilometer per hour wind range. And it is also there are options provided on the left and right side for proper ventilation. This white sheet I was talking about, this one is for waterproof fabric, okay. And in the left and right side there is an additional space provided for ventilation. So there is a dual open top and mechanical air vent in both the sides. You can switch, you can open it. And the primary part is it is easy for installation. As you see, I am alone able to do the installation without any additional help, so that is important part of that. And Decathlon claims that it has 5 years of warranty provided in this particular product, okay. And this is not my first setup, but I have been using it from quite a long time. And this is the opening, and I am basically this video is from a camping camping setup in Hyderabad, India, and this was one of the experience, and I will be posting another video with this particular experience on entire complete experience. So here, as you see, it's quite spacious, and there are a lot of pockets and bags available inside to for some kind of storage as well, which you can see on my next video. I will post a detail level video as well. And yeah, that's it. You may find this is a good product. The product purchase link will be on the description section. I will also tag it on the product tagging sections. If you want to purchase, you can purchase by clicking on that link. I will get some commission, but the original price will not change for you, and you will support me as well. So thank you, and thanks for watching, guys. Take care.